Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment Ask Me and I'll try to answer. Our topic today is how to pin comment on YouTube. Here are the steps to pin comment. Number 1, go to comment section below your video. Number 2, choose comment you want to pin. Number 3, click the 3 dots at the right side of the comment. Number 4, select pin on the option provided. Number 5, click pin to answer the question. So just choose pin instead of cancel. Let's check the result. So as you can see, Katoto Kamotor Vlogs is being pinned by me. So pinned by madamvirtud. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. Bye.